my job, getting back on the consistency. So I'm trying to get y'all like 45 minute vlogs. Got me one too. What's up, YouTube?
Black trucks and DBs moving president.
It's your boy Rich Boy Quinn. We another video today, man. Nah, y'all probably like, where the hell this nigga been? Nah, but for real though, I'm back. And we're 1,000% better. But look, you know what? I'm waiting till I get in the car to break down everything. But just know we back and we better and we vlogging now. Y'all gonna see more of my day-to-day life. You know, I got a clothing brand that I'm been rebranding. You know, just a lot of work been put in behind the scenes and working, and just a lot been going on for like the past year and a half. But now I feel like I'm 100% ready to like be consistent how I've been wanting to. That's why I actually haven't been on YouTube. Guys be like, you know, people be in my DM like, when you gonna drop a video? Or, you know, people go through shit. Not even financially, you know, mentally. It just a lot been going on in my life. But, you know, if I never do it, then, you know, so I'm here. But yeah, I ain't even gonna do that to y'all yet. I'm gonna show y'all how to fit. Okay, cool, me y'all a little rundown of the fit. You know, we go 7 pairs. Under goes spider wider, you know, spider wider, and then we go Miri, we go Riri. You know, cool little simple fit, cool little fit. You know, we just throw fits on and you know set trend. We finna go. Well, actually, today. Matter of fact, I'm gonna wait to tell y'all that in the car. Catch y'all in the car. What's up, YouTube? I said I was gonna hit y'all back when I get in the car. I was gonna show y'all my car right now, but I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna do a whole separate video because I don't wanna, you know, y'all might see it, but you know, I'm gonna do a full car tutorial after I get like, I'm in the process of getting more shit done to it right now. But I'm actually gonna start like, I'm finna get my car straight piped. I'm gonna make a video on that. And then by my birthday, I should be getting it wrapped. But yeah, we on the way to Hungry's I'll show y'all when I get there, get the food. I'm putting y'all on. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, man, actually when I'm eating, I'm gonna answer some of the questions I asked y'all to ask me. There was a lot of questions. I done asked like 3 times and didn't make no video, so I'm just gonna take this time to answer some of y'all questions. I'm gonna like answer some of them in this video, but I'm not gonna answer all of them because that's gonna be its own separate video too. I got a lot of catching up to do. I know I'm late to the party, but we back in motion. My phone ended up breaking, my camera, like I ended up losing my real camera, not even losing it. Somebody stole it, like, y'all don't even understand, it been so much going on, like, since the last time y'all seen me, put it like that. Since the last time y'all seen me, it's been hell on the scale. Back. Hey, I'm thinking about doing POVs too. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all want POVs, I think I'm with that. I want to do some POVs. Got me one too. I don't know why this nigga wanna race me. I don't know why he wanna race me out of everybody in the cars. He choose to race me. not knowing that I drive like that for real. I wish I would have picked up the camera before. I let him come all the way back. I'm so dead. Watch this too. Look at him. Watch this too. I'm gone on buddy. I don't even know where he at anymore. I don't even know where he at. He nowhere to be found. I don't even know where he at no more. He ain't don't want no smoke. Man, I don't want no smoke too. You know, that was a simple ass BMW though. I don't even know why you tried this shit. Yeah, that's the only reason I picked back up the camera. I'll catch y'all in the few. We made it to Hungry as fuck. Now, see what's going. I put it down so y'all can see what's going on. I'm putting you down. If you don't know, now you know. I'm putting you down. Dead Plaza right here. Hold on, wait a sec. Y'all gotta get in there. Y'all see it. Don't mind Buddy Egg Lab right there though. You know, in the door. Niggas up here trying to sell you bullets and everything. Might get in. Yeah, but I'm finna grub. I'm gonna give y'all some grub action, cause like, you know. That motherfucker crispy. They're crispy. It's crispy. Look at a fork.
I gave it to you.
Tripping.
My bad.
Tripping. It's all good. We all trip. But I'm on pay. Thank you.
Want some spinach?
She goes spinach. Her salmon. I go regular salmon.
Want to try my wings? Why are you like that?
Cause why you got food and I got food?
But I want you to try my food.
You want me to try it? No. No. You know my stomach messed up right now too. I ain't gonna cap y'all. Since I woke up this morning, my stomach has been crazy. Like,
That means you gotta stay home.
I don't even go out like that. It was my friend's birthday yesterday.
You ever took the bus in Atlanta?
Nah. 10. Hold on. You lit my lip. 10 out of 10
Every time.
on a motherfucking Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget. Hold on. If y'all can guess what drink I got in here, I cash up you $50. First comment I see that's actually right. On God, I cash up you $50. But I don't like none of y'all to get it right though. I mean, if you from Atlanta for real, you should. Why the hell this nigga walking to my whip? That's the nigga who tried to sell me some bullets. See his ass. Nigga tried to sell me some bullets.
What the?
I got his number though. Cause you just never know. You see what I'm saying? You just never know. Well, after this, I'm gonna go get a massage. I need to give me some grub fur though. I've been thinking about this all day. I ain't gonna lie.
Tastes like this. Tastes
What, peach? That peach? That peach? What you got in yours?
I think I got fruit punch and lemonade.
Oh.
You just said your drink.
No, I didn't. I don't think I did. If I did, then bet off. If I did, bet off. Cause y'all cheat. Y'all gonna be like, bruh. Nah, I ain't going. I'm glad she told me no. No. But yeah, man. Oh, I think I supposed to been answering some questions while I was eating.
Mm-hmm.
But I was thinking about like just doing a whole nother separate video, like a whole just question and answer.
But you put the questions they've been asked you already, and then ask again.
Okay, I'm gonna do like 2, 3 maybe.
You did
Okay.
Q&A when we was in Miami.
I'm just gonna do like the 3 most asked questions. I know number 1 is where the fuck I been at. You know, off the face of the earth. You know, I'm just playing about. You know, man, been working. Excuse me. I've been working, you know, rebranding, trying to get the brand together. Just trying to get more sources of income, you know, just real life. That's all I'm saying. I don't know why I put the camera down though. I always say like, it's like, I don't know. I feel like I'm used to it now. But at first, I wasn't used to the camera. So it would be like, I felt like every time I was on camera, it would be weird. Which as y'all can see now, I can just sit here and talk to y'all. That's progression, you see? That's progression. We in the...
Oh, that was fire.
Why is she yelling at her like that?
Oh, she crying.
Aww. Why you yelling at her like that?
Sometimes you just gotta do some kids.
Oh. You got hungry. I said I was gonna answer 2, 3 questions. I'm only gonna answer that one for right now, because I'm finna eat. So, I'm gonna catch y'all back. I don't know if I can record it on the side play, but I'm gonna see. Which one you want? You want this one? Okay.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. We keep on.
Okay.
Can I keep my ball?
Take out, just leave it on.
Okay. This is cute.
It's hard. I'm trying to show them what's going on. That's hard. It's smooth, let's set up. Okay. YouTube. We just leaving the massage. What it was called? It was called. Let me give y'all the name. Hold on my other phone. Cause I ain't gonna cap. That place was just a 20 out of 10. I'm like, wow. Not gonna lie. It's called. It's called Massage Infinity. 10 out of 10. No cap. I ain't had no massage in so long. I need to start making that like a like every time I get my nails done or something. I need to up this hoodie from one of my partners. He a black owned brand owner. I'm just gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna see when I pull up. But yeah. Oh yeah, and the massage place in Buckhead too, by the way. Go try it, let me know. Let me know, give me a review. But I was fucking with it. Then I didn't even eat all my food. It's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna start giving y'all POVs. Like, I'm about a thing where I sit either my phone or the camera up, and I'm gonna get a GoPro. I'm gonna get a GoPro so y'all can see how that boy be sliding the boat. Be sliding it bit. But yeah, I was just checking back in. I'm gonna let y'all know when I pull up to my partner. Well, I'm meeting him. I get put gas in the boat, man. I'm so tired, not gonna lie. Time to roll up. Okay. Nah, but I just picked up this hoodie from my partner. We'll cut this down for the copyright. Picked up this hoodie, man. Y'all go fuck with this pimping. Shit hard. Digital Tide, man. Go fuck with them, boy. No cap. Put that shit on with it, though. You. And slide the cat, though. I think I'm about giving y'all a POV. We're gonna see, though. But yeah, let me check back in with y'all.
Where he at?
Where he at?
Hey, you gotta get a new tire. Right tire. Right tire.
We back. Tire shop.
How much you pay for your tents, man?
I ain't gonna cap. I paid like
You got a front.
$350.
What is that?
Cause I got carbon fiber tent. What? Got a chain my girl feet. Huh? Yeah. 5%. Hell nah. I mean, I got pulled over one time when I first got my whip. I ain't fuck me ever since.
What you got on the front?
Like 10, 15, something like that.
See at night.
Hey, yeah. I got carbon fiber tent. It's like carbon fiber tent. It makes you like be able to see in the inside, but it look darker on the outside. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. That bitch so hard. That bitch saying. That bitch hard as fuck. I'm rapping it. Well, I'm thinking about rapping it on my birthday.
So you gonna get that bitch on?
I don't know. I think I might. Right, I don't know. I can't reveal it.
Keep it on the
I'm
DL.
keeping it on the DL, but I'm saying I don't really know. Like, I'm really still thinking about it. I don't know if I should rap it on my birthday or before the summertime.
Yeah. You put that bit on fast.
That's what I fuck with.
Yeah.
Tell you. Tell you.
Like, do it. Ooh, that
I'm
bitch about to be so wet, right?
I'm finna stab out.
Already too. That bitch about to
Yeah, I'm gonna start. I tell them I'm gonna start the POV. They gonna see how I'm driving this motherfucker for real. See what I'm saying? Yeah. But y'all ain't gonna pop out crazy, see? I ain't gonna show y'all
Hey,
what
I
y'all
got a little
Marauder. Whatever. That's what I'm saying.
little bit.
Man, nigga sliding anything though.
Hey, yeah.
Just sliding anything. What's that fat though? In the car. That nigga did not get out the car.
You can't even see that, bro. I can't see his ass.
Hey, bro. You can spray some water on all my tires? How much? Yeah. Alright, appreciate it. I was just asking. Yeah, so they all can look like that, and not one of them look clean. I pulled out a Honda anyway. I found me a smooth ass tire shop. I seen some wire. Nah. They got a cool ass dog out here though.
God, that motherfucker look like a big king color.
Cool ass dog.
They need king color, son.
Right. Oh, he's okay, cool. God damn. Saying you gotta get my bitch changed, man. I don't even supposed to be showing on my whip for real yet. We getting fixed up. You know what I'm saying? You folks got the dog at the goddamn car shop.
They look like king.
Right.
Not king though.
And they motherfucker together. Finna slide this bitch for real, for real. That bitch look crazy.
I seen you pull that bit. I was like, no way. I seen sparking. I was like, oh no.
Gotta get that bitch changed ASAP.
Hey,
I ain't even playing. That nigga so hard. Hey man.
That bitch sound like go-kart.
Go-kart, right. You know what I'm saying? You slide every fucking corner in it, bitch.
Oh shit!
God
God damn! That one. That bit
I got a tire on it being now. They done fucked up. I'm finna, boy. I was just so scared of that wire. No wire that fast. Boom. Snap of a finger. Let's do it.
That bitch sound like a Terminator.
Key falling. Get the fuck out the way.
I ain't gonna cap. You would have got a Hellcat or some crazy shit, bruh. I'm glad you didn't.
Just hold on now. Hold on, I'm gonna do it 6 months. You gotta chill. I just, oh my God. Bro, y'all let me know y'all need some POV.
I'm finna get on live on my phone.
Yeah.
I ain't even gonna cap. I'm not even finna cap.
I need me a cooler spot to go to. I'm finna make it right to go shit. POV driving with Rich Boy Quinn. Let's do it.
That bitch slamming, boy.
Yeah, they be trying to get up out of there.
I gotta hold that bitch.
I put glue on both sides of the ball. I know as I'm sitting back, I'm taking off. Back, them boys forever gone.
YouTube, man, this your boy Dan, man, aka Mr. More Money, man. Fuck going on, vlog, here with the boy Quinn, man. Hey,
Vlog. This nigga just took over my vlog. You see what I'm saying? We with the boy Mo Money, man.
got your boy more money than more.
So
That's
saying.
crazy, man. Hey, your boy just not trying to like it, the YouTube shit, y'all. So, y'all finna be seeing me a lot.
Yeah. I told y'all I'm getting back on the consistent, so I'm trying to get y'all like 45-minute vlogs.
You put money on niggas'
Big bro. I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm thinking this.
I was just finna say that. I was finna play some shit. Let me see.
But yeah.
Shit,
I told y'all I'm gonna get back consistent. I'm trying to bring y'all like 45-minute vlogs. Like,
I ain't care. The longer the vlog, yeah, the better the goddamn.
Right,
I
so
ain't care. It be smooth too.
I'm gonna get y'all different days.
I be surprised if folks actually be sending and actually watching. Like, them be the most loyalest people. Cause like,
right.
when folks really tuned in for real.
Yeah, anyway, you see what I'm saying? You ain't gotta worry about that. He told me get the cab, buddy come true. Buddy go crack, but fuck. That motherfucker got it dust on Buddy. Paper and some more shit. Fuck Buddy got going on. Line up crazy as hell. What country boy at?
Well, I talk to God, ain't had no one else to call. I be smoking this out of scratch, you can hear it in my cough. Black trucks and DBs, moving presidential, still stepping. I got open cases, I don't bunch, still keep my weapon. I been gambling with my life, I went and tatted 777. Play with one of mine, get sick to heaven. Give a fuck what you rep. No, I make this shit look easy, just stay on and I play my card. Stuffing humble runs inside my blunt, I'm trying to go to Mars. Switching out my car like I do my bitches, I got plenty of options. I was praying one day that I make it, but this shit cold.
I might go black truck with the switch, and ain't no missing. Can't no nigga duck down. Twin up, hold tripping. With the glitz, he tryna kill something. Lil' bro got the 50, we down spinning. But he still bustin'. Drop 20 on the
hands done before. I'm gonna get a drawing on this bitch. This bitch gon' go. Yeah, that boy hit the inside. Whoa, fuck with right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that shit on. Yeah. Yeah. You gotta check out the details. Yeah, you gotta. Yeah.
That nigga tripping, bro. What's that?
Yeah. Gonna get some goddamn. I'm go out here photo shoot, man. I got another one to go to right after this. You outside today.
I ain't walking in no woods.
Hey man, you got but when wedding needs to be on this way.
Ugly ass nigga, why you late? Nigga, nigga right here. Y'all seen y'all on there? Yeah. Got you on the cam. Almost there.
You just get out and throw the clothes at him.
Give me the clothes. I'm gonna get out and throw it at him.
That's what I'm saying.
So I gotta give me the clothes.
You gotta stand outside the car.
Oh, and hold them outside? Oh, I thought I could get out the car and throw it to me. I'm making it real quick.
She hit that nigga car. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, alright. So look. So I'm gonna do it. I'm good. Take my shirt off and do this. Then you gonna throw me the shirt. I'm alright. You throw me the shirt. You gonna throw me the shirt. Then you gonna throw me the pants. Then the shoes. Then the jacket. I'll throw the shoes one at a time or both of them. Oh, yeah. The wind might catch that motherfucker. Nah, I'm gonna throw that bitch at the. So just record the whole time? Yeah, record the whole time. Alright. Okay.
Damn, no. It was already like that? That's dirt. This shit perfect. This shit is black. That shit black, man. It's dirt. He playing. Shit, they in the video. Yeah, he was. Oh, yeah. They gotta make sense, though. They can't just lock down. I'm ready when you are. You want me to go? I can't catch all that stuff. Yeah. Ready? It's on recording. Talking about, so you ready, twin?
Right.
He gotta be shooting already. He definitely is. That's his shit? Start opening the doors on their ass. Open that bit.
Catch the people going.
This shit clean, man. This some shit you can. I'm thinking about opening some shit like that.
What you got on? I can go there. I can go for Up and Weddy's like 2 times at the minimum. The most, 2 times. I mean, even to go track it.
So,
In my closet, I got so many forces, Supreme forces at that. Another thing, Force is my favorite shoe, right? Well, one of them. But the Wild Fold is Supreme Force because of the shoestrings. They thinner, way thinner. Clean down.
some shit like this, they gonna all come to you because they know you.
Yeah.
Drop the prices $10, $20 cheaper. They gonna be.
Trust some DBs, moving presidential, still step. I got open cases, I don't bunch, still keep my weapon. I've been gambling with my life, I went and tatted 777. Play with one of mine, get sick to heaven. Give a fuck what you rep. No, I make this shit look easy, just stay down there and I play my card. Stuffing humble runs inside my blunt, I'm tryna go to Mars. Switching out my car like I.